State Bureau of Investigation is looking into the death of an inmate at the jail. 41-year-old Tremaine White died October 4th.
Nearly a month later, unanswered questions still surround his death. Our Quentin Smith speaks with the attorney representing White's family. Quentin joins us now to tell us what we've learned so far. Quentin.
That's right, Courtney. And attorney Bobby DiCello is representing the family of Tremaine White. He's investigating himself what happened. While there are still more questions than answers right now, he believes excessive force used by law enforcement officers played a role in White's death.
Right now, as we look into this, we are considering whether this is racially motivated. We are considering whether this was excessively violent.
Bobby DiCello has now been brought in to represent the family of Tremaine White. The 41-year-old was a truck driver who died earlier this month while behind bars at the Amite County Jail.
How does such a minor moment end in death?
Though things are in the early stages of the investigation, DiCello says, here's what we know so far. On October 3rd or 4th, he says, White went into a tire shop in Liberty to buy a tire. As he was leaving, he threw something out of his window. An employee at the tire shop then called police and claimed it was a clear white baggie with a white powdery substance. However, White refuted that claim, saying it was a paper towel that he threw out. The 41-year-old then went to eat at a local restaurant. Not long after, that's when law enforcement officers came in and arrested him and took him to jail. White later died at the Amite County Jail on October 4th.
What we see right now suggests that the officer's conduct directly contribute to his death. Directly.
At this time, DiCello says there are still a lot of unanswered questions. Things such as which agency arrested White? What charge or charges was he given? How many hours did he spend in jail before his death? Was excessive force used? What was the exact cause of death? All answers DiCello is now working to find out.
He wasn't standing outside and fell down and then passed away in the jail. He didn't fall down and then go to the hospital and then die in the jail. He was arrested. He expressed that he did not want to be arrested. We know that, and we know that the officers forcibly took him into jail. Now, how much force is used, who uses that force, and when are all part of our facts that we're developing in our investigation right now.
Now, we reached out to the Liberty Police and Amite County Sheriff's Departments about White's arrest and death. Neither gave us any information, only saying MBI is now handling this case. A spokesperson with the Department of Public Safety released this statement to us saying agents are continuing to investigate and gather evidence and information. This remains an open and ongoing investigation. The coroner tells us an autopsy report is still being done at this time, so we do not know the exact cause of White's death.